found this little bird trapped inside, and went over to the window, and his heart was beating, and he got on my finger. Reminds me of Romans today, and Acts when Paul was on the ship, and before that, before Festus and Agrippa, the Pharisees and the Sadducees, and acknowledgement of being a sinner and murdering and killing, and his message of hope in the gospel of peace that comes through Jesus' humble sacrifice that led to Paul's pardon, his forgiveness, and mine, and yours, and ours together. Love one another, cover, and let the light shine. Ustedes son la luz del mundo. Una ciudad en lo alto de una colina no puede esconderse. Just came from checking on the plants that are the Jamaica plants that are sprouted, and I'm heading now to help my friend. He's two friends actually. Yesterday, helping him with some legal matters where some laws are being actually misused in this country, and as well. Another lady, a 23-year-old lady, who was our maid for some time. She called yesterday while I was with my friend in the legal department, and she was in tears because her husband, or her common law husband, hit her in the face and made her lip bleed, and so she was terrified in her friend's house. And they live out in the country, in the outback kind of a place. So I'm going to send 700 lymphs. I have 2,500 lymphs. So I'm sending 700 of that to her so she can get to the city on a bus and pick her up. And her brother's actually the one that lives in San Lorenzo, and his father's a Taiwanese businessman that left the native hunter and lady pregnant, and the mother offered $10,000, the wife of the Taiwanese, to kill William, but thankfully the mother did not do that, Catherine's mother. So, sorry birdie, my voice startled you. Sorry. Big strong voice. Come on, back of my finger. There you go. Okay. It's okay. Hello. Not going to hurt you. Oh, little baby bird. You must have just been learning to fly, huh? Yeah. I'll let you go now soon with your family. The door is in the other direction. Oh. Come on, let's go to the door. Come on. Come on. Scared. Come on. We'll have to bring you out to the door. There you go. You're going to hurt your head that way. I'm going to have to hold you then, because you're going to keep bunking your head. Oh my goodness. Oh, I have to have two hands for this. Well, here we are at the door. And we have the little bird. We're going to let him go. There we go. 1, 2, okay. Good morning. Come here. Think I say.